Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to All About AI Tech, the channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're talking about a topic that's been making headlines lately: deepfake images. With the rise of AI tools, it's becoming increasingly difficult to tell what's real and what's not. So, how can you spot a deepfake image? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about what deepfake images actually are. They're essentially fake photos or videos that have been created using AI tools. And while they might seem harmless, they can be used for all sorts of nefarious purposes, like scamming people out of money or spreading propaganda. So, how can you tell if an image has been deepfaked? Well, one thing to look out for is a smoothing effect on the skin, especially in photos of people. This can make the skin look overly polished and unnatural. Another thing to pay attention to is the lighting and shadows in the image. Often, the subject of the photo will look perfectly fine, but the rest of the image might not quite match up. Look for unnatural elements in the background or foreground that don't seem to fit with the rest of the image. For example, if the subject is standing in broad daylight but their shadow is falling in the wrong direction, that's a red flag. One of the most common types of deepfake images is face swapping, where one person's face is replaced with another's. To spot a face swap, look closely at the edges of the face and see if the skin tone matches the rest of the head or body. Also, pay attention to the lip movements and teeth. If the teeth look unnatural or the lip movements don't quite match up with the audio, it could be a deepfake. For example, if someone's lips are moving but their teeth aren't visible, that's a sign that something's off. Another thing to consider is the context of the image. If you see a well-known person doing something that seems out of character or unrealistic, it could be a deepfake. Pointer suggests that if something seems too good or too bad to be true, it probably is. For example, if you see a photo of a celebrity in a compromising position, take a closer look before sharing it. It could be a deepfake. So, what can you do if you're still not sure whether an image is real or fake? Well, there are some AI tools out there that can help. Microsoft has developed a tool that can analyze photos and videos to determine if they've been altered, and Intel's FakeCatcher uses machine learning to detect deepfakes. However, these tools aren't always available to the public, as researchers don't want to make it easier for bad actors to create more convincing deepfakes. It's worth noting that AI is developing rapidly, and the advice we've given today might not be as effective in the future. As AI models are trained on more and more data, they're becoming better at creating convincing deepfakes with fewer mistakes. So, what can you do to stay ahead of the curve? Well, one thing is to stay informed and educated about the latest developments in AI and deepfake technology. And of course, always be skeptical of what you see online. Deepfakes aren't just limited to photos and videos. They can also be used to create fake social media profiles and even steal someone's identity. So, how can you protect yourself? One thing to do is to be cautious about who you connect with online. If someone seems too good to be true, they probably are. Also, be wary of sharing personal information online, as it can be used to create convincing deepfakes. Deepfakes can also have serious consequences in the world of politics. They can be used to spread misinformation and sway public opinion. In fact, deepfakes have already been used in political campaigns around the world. So, how can you tell if a political video or image is real or fake? One thing to do is to look for sources that can verify the authenticity of the content. And again, always be skeptical of what you see online. So, what do you think about deepfake images? Have you ever come across one online? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more AI content. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, don't hesitate to reach out to us on social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.